Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can generate the custom CSS box shadow effects that you can use on your CSS projects. And if you are a beginner, you don't know how to write the code, you can directly design them manually with graphics and directly copy the code and use it on your project. So now in order to do it, just simply open any of the browser you have, and here you have to search for box shadow dot dev. You can see the right spelling over there, the right URL. The first website will appear right in front of you. Just simply open this first one, and here you can customly design the shadow effect with the various properties available right in front of you. Once you are done with the changes, for example, if I change multiple values here, and once I am satisfied with my code, with my design, I can just simply hit this button which says show code, and here you can see the right value of this box shadow have been appeared that I can directly use on my CSS project. I just simply hit copy and use it wherever I want. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.